Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Well, we have got some June spoilers for the BoxyLuxe box, and you know what? There's still, I think, one that's unconfirmed, and there's probably going to be more spoilers coming out. So always make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified when I upload. All right, guys, so we'll go over the ones we already know about, and then I will release the new spoiler. The first two things, now these are variations, these you will get one or the other of these. The first one is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush Palette, or you will get the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Contour and Highlight Palette. Those are both valued at $45. Then the next thing that we got on the list is the Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow. That is valued at $58. And then next is two more variations. You will either be getting the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Chlorophyll Cleanser. Wow, what a mouthful. That is valued at $35. And I think this is going to be a variation with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer, which is valued at $45. Now, the newly released spoiler that was just released yesterday is the PYT Hair Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. And this will come in a couple different colors, so you will get one of these shades, either pink, purple, blue, or coral. And there will be one of these in every box. It is valued at $85. Now, I think that is the PYT product that is going to be in the box. That's why they showed the one with the crystals on it in the picture. I'll remind you of that right here. But I think that is going to be why they put that up there. So it's not the crystal one that they showed, but you know what? They still done a good job with that. So we will be getting this hair dryer. And then last and certainly not least, this is still unconfirmed, guys. If you remember, it's in the same screenshot where the Pharmacy Beauty was in it, and also the PYT, the crystal straightener that was in it. The Luxie Brush Travel Holder. Now, they showed one in Periwinkle Blue, and again, this is still unconfirmed, but it was still in that picture, so my hopes are still high, guys. But anyways, that is the end of this video. I will update you if they release anything else. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter, just as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more tiny favor before you guys go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.